AppSumo launched 10 new deals today. Now be sure to look out for some new software reviews I'll be creating and publishing in a few days, so I'm excited for that. But for today's drop, I did find a handful of gems which I'm excited to share with you. Now, what I did earlier was I took a look at all these deals and I ranked them according to which ones are really catching my eye and worth buying. So if you want my rankings, you can check that out in the description below. Now, while you are there, you can also access my free Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. You can grab any of these tools, many of which I use in my business every single day. You can use this for your business to grow it, get more leads, and make money online. Now, if you click on that second link in my description, you can access my private AppSumo Vault, which includes a curated collection of some of my favorite AppSumo deals, including a list of some of my most popular YouTube videos. Blastable is back on AppSumo, so this is a marketing automation tool that's very similar to Encharge, which is also on sale on AppSumo. You can see all the main features of this tool, so you can send unlimited emails, but you will notice in the AppSumo deal, they do limit you for this specific feature. But they have all of the important features like list segmentation, automations, forms, autoresponders, so on and so forth. Now, one thing that stands out to me is their built-in AI. So they use their AI to help improve your open rates, better inbox placement, and less emails landing in the spam folder. Now, this lifetime deal starts at $69. Now, for this AppSumo lifetime deal, they do limit you in terms of total emails per month. So it's a little different than what they advertise on their website, so just keep that in mind. Now, if you want all of the features in this deal, or at least most of them, you would need to get tier 3. But if you want all of the features, now for this go around, they introduced 2 new tiers, which gives you sub accounts and your ability to send emails per sub account per month. So either 100,000 or 250,000. So these are 2 brand new options that they introduced this go around. But I would say the sweet spot for this deal would be tier 3. Capsho takes your podcast episodes, your live streams, or even YouTube videos and turns them into other content. So the way it works is you upload your audio or video, and then it generates things like blog posts, even social media posts, and video clips automatically for you. You can also generate images for thumbnails and graphics. Capsho is a brand new deal on AppSumo. It is a lifetime deal that starts at $59. Now, at first glance, the limits don't look too bad for this deal. I really like how this one is structured. But one small red flag I am seeing is under the deal terms and conditions, where it says all future custom AppSumo plan updates. ClickRank helps you improve your website's SEO by connecting with your Google Search Console and then also adding a small JavaScript snippet to your website. So it automatically updates your title tags, your meta descriptions, image, alt text, even schema markup, and also internal links based on your real search data from Google itself. And from there, you get analytics and suggestions for what to fix next. And I think what's really different is that it uses actual Google Search Console data to make suggestions and those optimizations for your website. ClickRank is back on AppSumo, and it starts at $69 for this lifetime deal. And for this go around, they did add a new plan, Plan 4. Now, this one essentially increases your limits. You can also use this for up to 8 websites. Element Pack Pro gives you hundreds of extra widgets and templates to use in your Elementor for your WordPress. As you can see, they have so many things here. So you could build pages, add features like mega menus, create custom forms. It also helps you organize content with things like PostGrid and testimonial displays. As you can see, there are hundreds of widgets and features. So if you use Elementor for your WordPress website, I think this is something you should seriously look into. This is a brand new deal on AppSumo, and it starts at $69 for license tier 1. You could use it for up to 3 websites. But if you are a consultant or an agency, I highly recommend you go for tier 2 or tier 3 would be best, because you could use this for unlimited websites. And you also get white label. And I think that is very helpful, very valuable. So you could offer this as a standalone add-on feature for your SEO, marketing, web design clients. Kotae is a chatbot you add to your website to answer customer questions automatically. So you basically can train it in using your website and documents so it knows your business's information. It lets you customize its look and adjust its replies as well. Now, one unique thing is that it scans your site to recognize specific topics or keywords. The Kotae lifetime deal starts at $59 for tier 1, but unfortunately, they do limit you quite a bit for the first tier. To unlock everything, you would need to get tier 2. Nureply helps you write and send personalized cold emails to your sales prospects. You can automate your follow-ups and get alerts when people open or respond. And of course, the tool tracks the opens, clicks, and other actions to help you see how and what's engaging those cold prospects. Now, what's really catching my eye is this unlimited. It lets you use unlimited email accounts and warm-ups with no extra charges. This lifetime deal starts at $59 for tier 1. Now, keep in mind, they do lock you out of tons of features for tier 1 and 2. If you want most of the features, you will need to get tier 3. And if you want the CRM and HubSpot integration, then you would need to get tier 4. OnlineCourseHost.com lets you create, host, and sell your online courses. You can build your own course website. You can even manage payments and run a community for your students. The platform includes built-in AI tools to help you write course content and support your students along the way. And a really unique feature, I think, is that students get their own AI assistant to answer questions as they learn. Now, this lifetime deal is back, and it starts at $99 for a single code, which you can use for 1 course website, and it also includes 1 custom domain. I really like how this deal has unlimited storage and students. Now, if you want to create more courses and have more custom domains, you can simply stack up to 10 codes, which gives you 10 course websites and 10 custom domains. Qolaba helps you handle writing, design, and creative tasks using AI. You can set up custom AI agents for things like research or even social media. It also lets you organize your notes and your projects. And I think unlike other tools, you can instantly turn your text into high quality, natural sounding audio using voices from 11 Labs. Now, taking a look at their website, it does look a little half-baked because some of their pages are basically blank. So this tool is giving me a few red flags. This is a brand new lifetime deal, which starts at $69. Now, if you want all of the features in this tool, then you would need to get license tier 2. Tavolo lets you create and manage databases and spreadsheets for your personal projects or your team. So as you can see here, you can view and organize your data in grids, Kanban boards, forms, or even galleries. It helps you build tools like CRMs, even inventory trackers, and customer portals. And one thing to note is that this tool is part of the same developer and founder as TaskMagic, Mail Lead, Lazy Leads, and so forth. So this company is really churning out tons of really helpful tools for the AppSumo community. Now, this specific lifetime deal starts at $59. Now, just looking at this, I'm not too much of a fan of how they kind of limit access to the AI agents, because if you want that, you would need to get tier 6 and also the white label portal. and also the Tavolo database. Now, if you do want these features, Tier 6 is only available to AppSumo Plus members. Now, this is a new setup I'm seeing from AppSumo. So it looks like for, their highest tier, you do need to be an AppSumo Plus member. I think they are testing out this strategy. So if this tool stands out to you, and if you want these features, you could look into Tier 6. WeShop AI lets you create product and model photos for your online store using AI. So you can upload images of your products, and the tool will add realistic models, backgrounds, and scenes. It also helps you edit photos by removing the background and changing poses and expanding images to fit different platforms. Now, a unique feature is its virtual try-on option, where you can see your clothes on a variety of AI-generated people. This is an AppSumo Plus exclusive for this week only. Next week, it'll open up to the general public. And right now, it starts at $49 plus an additional 10% off for AppSumo Plus members. I do like how this deal is structured though, so if you are interested in this, definitely consider joining AppSumo Plus and grabbing this deal. And it looks like they did introduce 2 new plans as well, which includes higher limits. Now, I ranked this week's 10 deals according to what is catching my eye and worth buying. I put the rankings in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you